your company receives the sales files every morning at 8 a.m. and your ETL pipeline should be only start after the files will arrive, right? So instead of checking manually, Airflow can be do this automatically. So wait for the files using the file sensor. So by the end of this video, what you will do, you will understand the what is file sensor, how do we use it, then a complete coding example, code explanations, so real world use case, best practices. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, first of all, we need to understand what is file sensors, right? So basically guys, the file sensors in the Airflow are the sensor that waits for the files to become available in the specific directory. So if the file is exist, the sensor will succeed and the next task will start. So let's say if the file is not available, the sensors keep the checking until the timeout is reached. So let's understand in the real world. So suppose your company receive the sales files every morning. So then what happen? Your sales files will be dropped to some particular location, right? So then if the file will be not there, so your pipeline should fail if the file hasn't haven't arrived, right? So let's explain this. Let's understand this code. So first of all, we are here importing the DAG object, right? So here this imports like from airflow.providers.google.provider google.cloud sensor.gcs gcs object existence sensor. So this imports sensor that checks for the objects in the Google Cloud. Here guys we have defined the empty operator, a datetime module. Then here the DAG definition, so DAG object like file sensor, then start date, schedule intervals, catch up. Okay, so this is actually our main task, main we can say the task. So here we are defining the object, GCS object existence sensor. So this is the task ID. So this is basically the bucket like where your file will arrive. Okay, so this specifies the GCS bucket where your Airflow should look for the file. Then the object, this specifies the file path inside the bucket. Suppose your bucket contain this is your bucket and it contain this input folder, and inside the input folder there is a sales.csv file. Okay, then Google Cloud connection ID, okay, which is our default one. This tells the Airflow which Google Cloud connections to use for the authentication. Yeah, so this is default one we are using. Then guys, poke interval equal to 30 seconds. So Airflow will be checked for every 30 seconds his file is added or not. Okay. Then timeout equal to 300. So this means maximum waiting time 300. These are in the seconds. Okay. So which is equivalent to the 5 minutes. So if the file is still available after the 5 minutes, the sensor will get failed. Okay. So here schedule equal to mode equal to reschedule. So this is highly recommended in the production. So guys, instead of occupying a worker while awaiting, the task will release the worker slots and resume the checking at the next interval. So this improves guys resource utilizations. Okay. So guys, there once the file will be there, then you can proceed your next task. Okay. Run this one. Okay. I go there. Let me go to the composer. Manage the airflow. So here go to the DAGs. And insert the tags. Let's upload that file. Upload files. And let me upload the GCS file.py. Okay. So guys, it will take some time to reflect. Okay. So we'll wait. So let's see that DAG. It's not reflected. Let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah. So if you see here, this is reflected. Okay. And so here what we will do, we will trigger this one. Okay, so it will check whether the file is arrived in the bucket or not. Okay, it is still checking. So let's go and upload the file. Okay, so let me go to the cloud storage. Okay, so let's go to that bucket. So our bucket is nothing but our yeah, GCS demo bucket. Here input. So here we need to upload the file called sales.csv, right? Which is one sales.csv. So let's go to upload, create one sample file. Okay, so let's create one sample file. So let me copy this one. Let me create one dummy file .csv in the download folder. Okay, save this. So let me upload the CSV file and let me open. So as if you see, we have uploaded the file called sales.csv. Let's see if it is running or not. You can just refresh this one. Okay, if I go to the logs, okay, rescheduling the task, let me refresh. Yeah, so if you see guys, it is done because that file is already in the uh, if you see here, so this is run fine because the file is there, right? We uploaded the file, it was run fine, it was running fine, right? So guys, this is all about the file sensors. So like once the file will be there, your code will be run. Okay, so yeah, that's it guys. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.